went to a burger place in New York City here, and I had the Kosher, and it wasn't expired. And I went to go get a burger, and a Spanish fellow was cooking my burger. I'm just a little confused on how that works. Does a Jewish person have to light the oven and then anyone can cook?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Yes. Yeah. So you answer your own question. So it says in Shulchan Aruch, even if he throws one piece of wood in a fire, Jewish person, that's enough. So light the fire, throw one piece of wood, take the pot, put it on the fire, like mix the contents of the pot. That's enough for it to, of course. And he supervises. So that's for sure. There is no problem. That's a kosher.
Okay,
thing.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yes.
I hope we have time for one question.
Say it again.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay, go
Because
ahead.
I work, my job consists, so it consists of lighting like restaurants, and I encounter Jewish kosher restaurants. So I see the mashgiach and I see all that. What happens if the mashgiach doesn't know how to light the fire? And I'm there, and I usually, they tell me, hey, can you light it for me? Because they're either physically incapable or they don't know. And I usually tell them, hey, just press the button, this here, so I guide them through how to light each appliance.
No, that's not knowing. There is no problem. I mean, not capable physically. I mean, he physically, okay. He, as we said, he's not obligated to light the fire. Like he can, for example, even if you light the fire or somebody else, one of the workers not lighting the fire, he can make it bigger or smaller. That's also good. So he, of the fire, it was only one of the examples. But even here, adjust the fire, as I said. You remember the example that I used for a Talmud to put a branch, like a piece of wood. That's also.
Thank you so much, Rabbi, because I encounter this a lot.
Yes. Yeah. No, there is no problem. I mean, they're not obligated to know electronics. I mean, if the guy was there for a week, so I mean, we expect him to know. Otherwise, why use these people to begin with if they're not capable of learning? Right?
I encounter, that's true. It's usually, but I did encounter it one time, so that's why I'm asking, because I encountered it one time.
Okay, so maybe it's a new person.
Yeah. And I was like, yeah, I can turn it on. No. And then I lit it up, and he did what you said. He made it bigger.
Exactly. That's it. So I mean, if a new person comes, he like all of the different appliances. He's not obligated to know all of them. Okay.